Hello everybody, AntsCanada here, bringing you another ant video. It's officially winter here in North America, as you can see. Our ants are asleep, they're all hibernating, and yeah, it's a little cold. Don't you wish you could just get away and escape to a tropical paradise somewhere? Africa, South America, Philippines. Well, the AntsCanada Ant Store couldn't have chosen a better time to launch our newest line of products. The Rainforest Outworlds. Woo!
Eternity, I live on and on, I live for infinity. As I'm moving on, banging to my victory song, I see destiny has come with me, and I know I am so invincible. My name is eternity. I live on and on, I live for infinity. As I'm moving on, banging to my victory song, I see destiny has come with me, and I know I am so invincible. Power of a million soldiers, I'm unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. My name is eternity. I live on and on, I live for infinity. As I'm moving on, banging to my victory song, I see destiny has come with me, and I know I am so invincible.
Thanks guys, thank you for subscribing to our videos. Take care and spread the ant love.
I'm fly, sipping on my sangria, soaking in the stimuli, flexing on the patio. at you looking at me, I'll be rolling up my sleeves. Something's telling me to make the move. It's all good. Life is so good. Life is so good when you live by your feelings.